Well, let's see where 48 free games takes us.
That's crazy. I don't think we can do worse than that today. But I'm not challenging you.
Alright. Let's see what we get here. 48 free games. Well, the good news is we're already ahead of where we were last time.
Let's get a bonus on the bonus.
Yes, that's what I want to see. Pop those things up top.
Oh, do it! Yes! We got both of them!
I mean, shoot. Alright, let's see what these bad boys do. We got those too. Let's see what happens here.
And we still got
I don't know what happened, but we got a coin shower.
It says feature awarded, but it doesn't say how many more bonuses. So if you get those, does it wipe out the rest of your
I
first
don't know what happens here, but we're going to find out. Clicking off some money.
This may be our biggest one of the day.
Well, this maybe is just paying our line hit. We haven't even gone to the feature yet. Alright, I accidentally hit stop, but now we're going to do it. Continuing on with our line hit. I thought about it. They probably wouldn't have said nothing. This line hit's pretty good. Brought us up to 72 bucks. Now we got this thing, whatever this is. These two feature pots up there popped. So let's find out what this does next. Alright, yeah, go for it. Let's see what we got.
Probably good.
Oh yeah. This is a new game for us, so we're not sure. But I imagine we're winning now all those little monies.
And it resets our spins when we get a circle.
Okay. If we collect all of them, we get the grand.
12,000. Oh, we got a dragon thing, whatever that is.
So that increased a bunch of them. Well, let's fill those last three. Oh, shoot. Look at that. Let's go, baby. This is a bonus within the bonus. I like that. We got one spin left. Let's get something right now. Alright, well, that's alright. We got all this stuff. How much does all this come out to?
$36.
Oh, plus all this over here. 36. Alright, so that's another almost 60 bucks there. Another coin shower. In case you're feeling dirty. Alright, we're still only on, I don't know, it doesn't say what spin we're on. Wait till this is done paying out. Alright, this is exciting. All this off $1.76 bet so far. Already rolling. Yeah, this one worked out well so far. Alright, we're at $131. We're 23 of 48 spins. Let's see if we can do that thing again. Why not, right? Oh, there's another 5 pop. That's good. Anytime you get 5 across. Great. Or if we get those little temple things, 3 of them, we can get more free spins also. Come on, let's not get cheap now. Let's get all the way across here. As Cousin Eddie says, don't get cheap on me now. Clark. All right, here we go. Let's get more of those. I don't know what makes them pop, but let's get them. Figure it out.
These three little thingies up there.
Yeah, but I want to pop again.
So we get back to this one.
We're up to 161 already. We're on 31 of 48. 32 of 48. I hope we don't just shit out here.
No.
38 to 48.
10 more spins.
10 more freebies to go. That's amazing. Oh, we get something in the middle of those. All right, come on now. 42 of 48. Let's throw some stuff in. 43 now. We're going to game 44. All right, let's get one more big hit before we peter out. I feel it's going to happen right now. It wasn't big, but I'll take whatever. All right, last free spin right here. Oh, well, that's good.
Alright,
I'll take it.
$172.
There's $172 off of that $1.76 bet. I'll take it.
Wow, there's